What if I told you that inside your Google account, you have the power to build your own AI agent? One that goes way beyond a simple chatbot to actually automate your work. If we haven't met, I'm Cakir, founder of AI Operator. While everyone is talking to Gemini, Google has quietly been building out a feature that lets you create multi-step AI workflows that can save you hours every single day. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain on this incredible capability and show you step by step how to create an AI process that will fundamentally change the way you work. Let's be real. How much of your day is spent on the work that actually matters? And how much is spent on the work about work? You know what I'm talking about. The endless hunt through your inbox for that one critical attachment. The mind-numbing copy-pasting from an email into a spreadsheet. Just trying to remember what was decided in the last meeting. This isn't just a small annoyance. It's a productivity black hole. It's the constant context switching that shatters your focus. It's the repetitive grind that big companies hire assistants for. You're constantly playing telephone between Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and Sheets, acting as the human glue that holds it all together. It feels inefficient because it is inefficient. But what if you could fire yourself from that job? What if you had an intelligent agent that doesn't just connect these apps, but actually understands the content inside them? An agent that can read an email thread, grasp the context, find the right files in your drive, summarize them, and then ping you a briefing before your next meeting, all while you're pouring your morning coffee. That's not science fiction. That's the exact capability we're diving into today. Everyone knows about Gemini. You ask it a question, it gives you an answer. It's an amazing chatbot, but it's fundamentally reactive. You have to prompt it every single time. But built into the Google Workspace ecosystem is something far more proactive, something designed for true hands-off automation. What is it? It's a set of no-code automation features referred to as Google Workspace Flows that let you build intelligent multi-step processes across your Google apps with Gemini as the brain. Think of it like Zapier or IFTT, but with a crucial difference: simple automation. If this, then that rules. Example, if I get an email, save the attachment. AI-powered automation injects an AI that can analyze, summarize, extract information, and even make decisions for you. This isn't just about moving data around. This is about giving the system the power to understand what data means. These automations can orchestrate complex tasks across Gmail, Drive, Sheets, Chat, and Calendar without you lifting a finger once it's set up. Now, a quick heads up. These advanced agentic features are being rolled out, which means access might depend on your specific Google Workspace plan and whether your administrator has enabled preview features. Some of these capabilities, like Google Workspace Flows, have been announced and are available to users in alpha programs. But even if you can't use it all today, you need to see what's coming, because this is the future of office productivity. To really get how powerful this is, you need to know its essential components. First, you have starters. A starter is just what kicks off your automation, the starting pistol for the race. This could be an event like getting an email from your boss, or it could be on a schedule like every Monday morning at 9 a.m. This is your trigger. It decides when the magic happens. Second, you have steps. This is the game changer. You have AI steps. These aren't just simple actions. These are customizable AI models you inject right into your workflow. This is your superstar runner who can think on their feet. You can command an AI step to research a topic, analyze a long document, generate brand new content, or categorize information based on your specific rules. You can even give it files from your Google Drive to use as context for its tasks. This is what separates a simple automation from a true AI agent. Let's build an AI agent live demo. All right, enough talk. Let's build something that will genuinely save you hours of prep work every single week. We're going to create an automatic meeting prepper. The goal is simple. An hour before any meeting on your calendar, you get a direct message in Google Chat with a perfect summary of all the relevant documents. Here's how we'll build it, step by step. 1. Pick our starter. First, you'll create a new workflow and choose the calendar-based starter. We'll configure to trigger exactly 1 hour before any calendar event starts where you're an attendee. Clear instructions are everything. 2. Add an AI step to understand the meeting. The job of this first AI step is to look at the calendar event and pull out 2 key pieces of information: the meeting title and the list of other attendees. It will hold on to these as variables for the next step. 3. Gather intelligence from Drive. We'll add another step to search Google Drive. We'll instruct it to look for any documents, spreadsheets, or presentations that have keywords from the meeting title. The AI now knows what the meeting is about and who's coming, so it can find the most relevant files. 4. Summarize with a final AI step. Here is where it becomes truly insane. We add our final AI step and feed the documents it just found into it. Our prompt will be something like this. Act as an executive assistant and review the attached documents. Generate a 3-point bulleted summary covering the main topics, any open questions, and any previously decided action items. Keep your tone concise and professional. 5. Deliver the briefing. The final step is delivery. We add one last action. Send a Google chat message. We'll direct it to send the message to you, and for the content, we simply pop in the summary generated by our AI. And that's it. We enable it. Now, forever, 1 hour before any meeting, this AI agent will wake up, read the context, find the right documents, summarize them into a perfect briefing, and deliver it right to you. You walk into every meeting fully prepared, without spending a single second on prep. Now that you see how powerful this is, your head is probably buzzing with ideas for all the custom workflows you could build. The possibilities are endless. What we just built is only scratching the surface. Imagine these other business workflows which sound amazing. Smart inbox triage. A starter triggers on every new email. Gemini analyzes the content and sender, then automatically applies a label like urgent sales, client updates, invoice, or newsletter, and archives non-essential mail so your inbox stays clean. Daily executive briefing. Set a scheduled starter for 8 a.m. every morning. The agent scans your calendar for the day's meetings, checks for high priority emails from key contacts, and reviews a project tracking sheet for overdue tasks. A second AI step generates a single consolidated briefing that gets sent directly to you. There are a few things to keep in mind, including some amazing tricks and limitations. The chain of thought trick. To get better results on complex tasks, tell the AI to think step by step. Instead of just asking for a summary, prompt it to first identify the project, second, list the key people, and third, extract action items. This forces a more logical and accurate output. Limitation, language, and links. For now, the most advanced prompts need to be in English. The system also works best when you provide direct links to files in your Drive or to websites. It can't currently use links to calendar events or Meet conferences as context. The Google Sheets database trick. You can use a simple Google Sheet as a database for your AI agent. Have it read a list of leads from one tab, track outreach in another, and log all its actions in a third tab. It's a surprisingly powerful way to create and monitor a persistent system. Limitation, rate limits. Be aware of invisible walls. If you create a flow that triggers hundreds of times an hour, you might hit Google's rate limits, causing the automation to pause. A good trick is to start with scheduled triggers. Example every 10 minutes, instead of instant ones for high volume tasks. The ecosystem. For now, it primarily works with Google Workspace apps. However, Google has stated they are working to connect Workspace flows to third-party tools, which will make it exponentially more powerful. And that's the key. By learning this now, you are getting in on the ground floor of what will become the standard for professional productivity. The era of manual work about work is ending. We are moving toward a model where you define the strategy and an AI agent executes the workflow. This isn't just about saving a few minutes. It's about reclaiming hours of your week so you can focus on what actually matters. What we've uncovered today isn't just another feature. It's a new way of working. It's your own personal AI assistant that you get to build and command. By combining intelligent triggers with the analytical power of AI, you can create automated systems that are tailored perfectly to your job, saving you countless hours and giving you an almost unfair advantage. What workflow are you going to build first? Let me know down in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to see what you all come up with. If this video just saved you hours of your future work, do me a favor and
Subscribe to my newsletter for weekly AI updates.
hit that like button and subscribe for more secrets on getting the most out of your tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.